I know you guys will be surprised with this. Yeah, I'm putting this now because they have approved my professorship. Yes. But you explain tire. I'll not tell you how managed I became a professor overnight. Anyway, that is the essence of the class. I can see it from here. Okay. Look at the beautiful lady given to me. This is a mass Olympiad question. It's supposed to be X, Y, but every people say that we have been looking for X and Y. So we have to put M and what? N. Right. So can you do justice to this? If you can't, let's go. Let's go. Good. The first thing to do is to write what? Solution. Is to write solution. Okay. If you have written that, you all know that if I have the m squared, bring the question, n squared is equals 24. Yes. So what do we do? You agree with me that m plus n, m minus n, bring it like this, is equal to 24. Before I squared, this m squared minus n squared is what gave me this. So I can square here and I can square what here. I squared both sides. There's no error. Let it not be that it's on 2. So it's squared. Now look at it. What I have that is a squared minus b squared is the same thing as what? A plus b, a minus b. That is difference of 2 squared. Difference of 2 squared. Good. If it's difference of 2 cubes, it would have been different. Go to my videos. You see one of them that I did. Now look at it here. So that means I can still have m squared. So that is m plus n all squared. M minus n all squared is equal to 24 squared. Yes. Because since it's multiplication, if I have AB, the same thing as a squared, b squared. It's multiplication. So that's what I did here. There's nothing here that means they are multiplying each other. So, but note, let me bring the difference. Note, a plus b all squared is the same thing as a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Yes, it's among the identity. Now if I have a minus b all squared is the same thing as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. These are some of beautiful identities. Yes. So now if I see m plus n all squared, I put the value of this because the m, now if I'm comparing them, a is m, b is n. So the squared, I now put, anyway I see a here is m, anyway I see b here is n. So let's go. That will now give me what? M squared plus 2mn plus n squared, m squared minus 2mn plus n squared all is equal to what? 24 squared. Good. So I just m plus n, replace this. That's what you have. But look at it. But mn is equal to what? 35 from the questions. So if that is the case, I'll substitute and I have m squared plus 235. Anyway, I see mn plus n squared, m squared minus 235 plus n squared is equal to what? 24 squared. Good. Now, if you have done justice to that, you agree with me that this will now be what? M squared plus 70, that's 2 times 35, plus n squared, m squared minus 70 plus n squared will now be equal to what? 24 squared. You get it? So this will now give me what? M squared plus n squared plus 70 m squared plus n squared minus 70 is equals what? 24 squared. Yes. Now just assume that this one is what? A. This one is B. This one is A. This one is B. Just assume. After the assumption, you can use pens if you are working this kind of mathematics. After that, you just claim your A, B, and others you put. Good. That means A multiplied by A will now give me what? M squared plus n squared all squared, because it's just like A times A, which is A squared. Then plus A times B. Okay, this A times B will now be minus, because of this minus, M squared plus n squared dot 70, dot means multiplication. Then B times A will now be what? Plus 70 dot m squared plus n squared. Then B times B is B squared. That is what? But it's minus. So now 70 squared equal to 24 squared. Good. Now look at it here. The whole of this and the whole of this, they are the same. And this is minus, this is plus. Just like when you have minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So minus, let me say x, y, minus x, they are the same. Minus x plus x is equal to 0. So this has taken care of this. Good. So you can now remove this one so that your work should be neat. Can do it. I'm just telling you in case you don't. How did you multiply this? So that's how it happens. Good. Now this one now give me what? M squared plus n squared all squared. I wanted to jump one step. Minus 70 squared is equal to 24 squared. So this is the same thing as what? M squared plus n squared all squared is equal to 24 squared plus 70 squared. Minus 70 cross the sign of equality is changed to what? Plus. Now 70 squared, I know too well that is 4,900, because 7 times 7 is 49. I'll just add 0. This one is 24. 24. This 16. 4, 9, 8, 4. That is 6, 17, 5, 576. 576. So this will now give me what? 4,900, 57. That is 6, 7, 14, 5. That is 5, 4, 7, 6. Good. So this very one now, what I'll have here, that means my m squared plus n squared will now give me plus or minus the square root of 5476. 5476. So this will now give me what? Plus or minus 12. You know, in mathematics will take positive 1. Sorry. That is 74. Good. Because if you multiply 74 multiplied by 74 will give you 5476. Two numbers that can give you this. Now look at it here. M squared plus n squared is what gives us this. So let me add 2mn to both sides of the equation. I have this already. Let me add 2mn to the both sides of the equation. This will now give me 2mn. You now be equal to plus or minus 74 plus 2mn. In this other side, I added here. I wanted to get something right. Good. Now, I can have m plus n all squared. If you open this, you will have this. So it will now be giving me what? Plus or minus 74 plus 2 into 35, because my mn is 35. So this will give me what? Plus or minus, or you can do it straight from here so that you don't confuse yourself. That is 74 plus 70. Now, if you have this 74 plus 70, good. If I have 74 plus 70, now 74 plus 70 will give me 144. Right? So that means my m plus n all squared is equal to 144. So for me to find this, my m plus n will now be the square root of 144. I'm not putting plus or minus here again because we're only interested in the positive answer. So this will now give me 12, the square root of 144. Now, since you have 12, let's check. Mn is 35. That is 7 times 5 will give us 35. So if it's 7 times 5, that means 7 plus 5 supposed to give us 12. So that means we are correct, because 7 times 5 is 35. 7 plus 5 is equal to what? 12. So our m plus n is correct, and that is the final answer. Thank you for joining me today. Make sure you subscribe.